Hi everyone, this is Odun Business Consult. Today we are going to learn how to create data entry form in Excel. Okay, in my other video I said I'm going to show you how to create a data entry form using Excel, and in that video I also taught you how to automate accounting ledger and trial balance using Excel. So if you have not watched that video, go back to the channel and look for that particular video and watch to the end. You will understand whatever that we are come to do today. Okay, and if this is the first time you are watching me or watching my video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for me. And if you have any question, leave them in the comment section. Okay, so let's see what we are going to do for the day. Let me show you what we are going to do today. Okay, so today we are going to learn how to do this simple data entry form. This form has been linked to this journal entries. So whatever that will be typed here will be seen over here. Okay, so let me take this one off. Take that one off, and let's enter something here. Let's see what happens. So let's say 12 of March 2025. Started business with cash. So started business with cash. So here the account is cash. We have account entry current assets. To appreciate what I'm entering here, go and watch my video on how to automate accounting ledger. Okay, I've explained certain things over there. Let's see, the amount is 10,000. So let's click on send data. Let's see if it is here. So you see that it has been generated over here. So this is what we're going to do today. Okay, so by the end of you watching this video, you'll be able to do something like this. A simple data entry form that is being linked to this journal entries. Okay, without wasting much time, let's get started. So let me off this. Open Excel. So here, name it data entry form. Here we have journal entries. So let's begin with this two worksheet. Okay, so here we have something like this. We have description. We have accounts. We have account type. We have our debit. We have our credit. So let me do some formatting here. So here dates, let me set it to dates. Select the column, right click on that, go to format cell and choose date. Click OK. Here too, let's make it comma star. Okay, select the column, click on the comma star. Let's apply some formatting. Increase the font, bold it. I think it's quite okay. Now let's copy this. So follow me to the end. Okay, if you want to do what I've shown you, just follow me. Okay, so copy that, right click on this side, then go to paste special, choose values, select transpose, click OK. Then bold it. Let me increase the font size small. Okay, let me extend this side. Now what we are going to link this to this one. So what to do, for each item, just select the row for that item, then equal to, so date, enter, equal to description, enter, equal to, sorry, here, equal to this account, right, account, equal to, enter, equal to account type, enter, equal to debit, enter, equal to credit, enter. Okay, so if you link this to this row for each of these items over here, so do as I've done it, or as I've shown you. Now what is left, let's come to this side. Okay, copy everything here, copy, come to general entry, select this side, paste as special, select values, choose transpose, click OK. Okay, so let's do some editing here. Let's select this comma star, this one comma, this date. Okay, set it to date, so format cell, select date, press OK. Let me do some formatting here, increase the size more, background color, let's see, choose this, any color that you think is okay for you. Let me increase the font size more. Okay, so let's come here. Let's fill this form. Okay, so let's type something. So date 12, maybe March 2025. We started business. So let me write something. Business. This is not the actual recording business. So let's say cash. Counter. Let's say current. Now for the first time, just type, let's say 10,000 here for both sides. Okay, I'll explain to you the reason why we've done that. Now that we are done, you can see that it has been copied from here to this side. So we want to make a data entry for this, an automatic data entry for this journal. So we have to link this to this section. And what we are going to use is macro. Okay, we are going to use a macro recording to do that. So follow my steps very carefully for this time we're going. If you want to do it the way I've done it. Okay, so here what I will do, come to developer, then click on record macro, okay, and name it. So I'll name it as maybe data or collect data, any name that you want to use. It's up to you. Collect data, click OK, then select this cell, then under home, go to insert sheet rows, click OK, then here the formatting insert options, click on that, then select format same as below, okay, then come to this side, copy everything from here, copy, come here, this right click, paste special, choose value, transpose, okay, come to this side, select this, clear everything, okay, then select this one, go to developer to stop recording. So now we have recorded this entry and it has been linked to the journal. So we need a button that will link this to this form. After filling it, if you click on that, the entries will be found over here, okay, it will be found over here. So let's see what we can do. So just under developer tools, still under developer tab, sorry for the developer tab, go to insert, select button, okay, click on that, just come here, choose the macro, the one that we recorded it, so the name is here, collect data, click OK. Let's name this send data, okay, so we have it here, send data. We are done. So let's see, you have only one record here. So let's see if you add something, it will work. So let's type anything. Let's type anything. We are just testing to see if it is working as intended. Okay. So let's say 45. Click OK, submit. Let's see. See, it has been added to it successfully. Okay, we see that it has been added to it successfully. So this is how we can add a data entry form in Excel. This one I just want to show you how to do it, okay, how to link it. Now after you are done, you just have to format it nicely, okay, you just have to format it, anything that you want to do to look nicely, okay. It's about formatting. So if you want to learn how to do formatting in Excel, just keep on watching my video, subscribe to it, so that anytime I upload videos on that, you will get a notification. So don't forget to click on the bell icon, okay. Thank you very much for watching. If you don't understand anything, leave them in the comment section and let me know if you're able to do it successfully as I've shown you in this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that anytime I update the channel with a new video, you get a notification for that. Thank you very much and see you in the upcoming video. In that video I will show you how to lock some of yourself or put password on yourselves or on your form in Excel so that nobody can make changes to that will disrupt your software that you design. See you soon.